everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 14th to the 18th of February 2022 on Monday. Mazetti stays at Pumlani Brothers Tati. Zodwa gives Bongile the silent treatment on Tuesday. Teddy's employment prayers are answered when he finds a job at the tavern. Tati's in-law problems escalate when Pumlani's parents shows up on Wednesday. Makoti refuses to give Pumlani her blessings to marry Tati. Gladys makes an existential discovery about her marriage on Thursday. Tati's wedding is back on track. Gladys threatened Melusi with a divorce on Friday. Melusi is annoyed to learn Pumlani's newest involvement in Gomora High. Teddy catches looking for Don's killer. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.